Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello all signs. So let's check kung ano bang emotion ni person mo, no? Ngayong week pagdating sa iyo. Syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga nangyayari pa lang. 'Di ba yung boses ko? Ay, kailan siya magiging okay? No, so okay. Syempre, kung may mga tanong, message lang po kayo sa aking FB page for more info, okay? So, yeah, sa private reading, if you're interested na magpa-reading kay Perception of Light, ito yung kanyang FB page. Okay? And yeah, don't forget to follow. And sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Ding naman po. Okay? So, yeah. Okay. So, ito yung ating mga evil eye items, no? Ito yung isa, ring. Okay? Ito naman yung isa, which is our evil eye necklace. Okay? So, yung isa, yung akin na isang bracelet ko, may humiram, o diba? pero ano bawal pong ipahiram, okay? Kasi inyo lang yun. So, ano pa ba? Yung ating new item, ito yung ating new item. So, yung ating yung ating love bracelet, okay? Shining, shimmering, splendid with stones, gems, precious stones na pwedeng makatulong pagdating sa love, no? Single ka man, may mga conflicts ka man sa mga karelasyon, sa karelasyon mo, mga ganyan, okay? So, yan, pwede to sa'yo. So, plus na lang to, okay? Plus na lang tong mga stones na nandito kasi iba yung aking ibibigay, okay, pagdating dito sa bracelet na to. So kaya kinukuha ko yung name, yung real name po ng magmamayari. Okay, so si grantor etong ating love bracelet is made to order. Okay, nakabox ito pag inyong matatanggap na. Okay, yung grantor necklace naman natin is unisex, and yes, again, made to order ang ating grantor necklace. So tanong kayo kay admin kung gusto nyo mag-avail nito. Tanong nyo kung meron pa ng freebies, no, nung ating magic mug. Okay, so sayang kasi. Okay, so meron lang kayong kailangang i-avail, para makuha nyo rin yung magic mug. Okay, so yan, napaka-limited lang kasi nun. Okay, so unahan na lang. So yun ha. So again, made to order. Okay, this is unisex, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and 20 inches long yung kanyang chain. So pagdating sa pendant, naka-acrylic siya, so para siyang glass, no, harap at likod. Okay, so this is our grantor necklace. Again, sa mga hindi pa nakakakilala kay grantor, so si grantor is yung pwedeng makatulong sa'yo na i-grant or i-manifest, i-manifest yung desires mo and wishes. Okay, no downtime kung talagang deserve mo yung gusto mo. Okay, marami nang nakasubok kay grantor. So, yeah, I don't know kung ikaw ay nagdadalawang isip pa. Syempre, diba? Okay, so yun lang ang aking may share ngayon. Pagdating sa ating mga items, no? So, message lang kayo kung meron pang ibang mga katanungan. Okay? So, let's start. All signs. So, Aries. Okay. Anong emosyon sa'yo ni person mo ngayong week? Okay, anong emosyon niya sa'yo, Aries? Emotion. Okay. The Ace of Cups. Someone will offer. Some of you, there's a new person na talaga nagkakagusto rin sa'yo, or someone na gusto mag-offer ng love connection. Yeah, the Page of Wands. Meron ditong nagkaka-crush. Yeah. Okay. They're in their emotions, actually. They want to get your attention. Yeah. Some of you po, merong separation na nangyari. Okay? Gusto nila na makuha yung attention mo by next week. Okay? So, sa tingin ko, hindi sila sigurado eh. Hindi sila sigurado kung anong mangyayari if ever na magda-direct sila sa'yo actually. Bago man, luma man, itong taong to. Hindi nila sure. So, it's like, kukunin lang niya yung attention mo by next week. Okay? So, there. Next. Taurus. Okay. So, emotion ng person na nasa isip mo. Emotion niya ngayong parating na week. Taurus. Temperance. They're waiting. Yeah. Are you in the waiting game? Tingnan natin ano tong Temperance. Pwedeng Sag. The Queen of Cups in reversed. Why the Queen of Cups in reversed? Ang tingin ko, itong taong ito, Taurus, parang pinipigilan nito yung sarili niya eh, no? Pagdating sa emosyon, pagdating sa'yo, pinipigilan niya, binibigyan niya ng limit. Okay? Binibigyan niya ng boundaries. I don't know why. Queen of Cups. So, siguro, ayaw lang nito na parang maging, parang open. Parang ganun. Okay? Yeah, because the Temperance is here. This is, pwedeng, dumidepende lang din sa'yo, itong taong to. Kung anong magiging reaction mo, yun ang magiging reaction din niya. Mga ganun. Okay? Yeah, the Three of Swords. So, yeah, they're holding back. Some of you, yung isang rason kung bakit ito parang nag-hold back or mag-hold back is because of the separation ng iba sa inyo. Or some of you, meron ditong third party involved. Okay? Kaya hindi niya totally maibigay sa'yo yung all in, all out, o diba? 100% ng emosyon niya. Okay? It's like merong boundaries, may limit. Parang ganon. Okay? So, there. May mga action, may mga tawag dyan, may mga gagawin. Yeah, itong taong to for you, may mga sasabihin yan, may pero hindi lahat actually, kasi nga mayroong isang hadlang dito, hadlang. Okay, which is some of you, the third party or yung distansya. Okay, so there. Next, Gemini. Okay, so Gemini, ano ba yung emotion sa'yo ng person mo ngayong week? Okay. Anong emotion niya, Gemini? Yeah. You can check your sun, moon, rising. Okay? Gemini. The Six of Wands. They want to get your attention. They want your attention. Okay, or pwedeng vice versa. The Ten of Cups in reversed. Some of you, meron na kayong anak nito. Okay? Gusto nito, okay, Gemini. Gusto ng taong ito na parang pakitaan mo siya ng attention. They're sad, actually. I don't know why. Okay, the Ten of Cups, please, universe. Parang merong ano yung hahanapin sa'yo itong taong to. Parang meron pa siyang hihingiin. Something like that. Or the Ten of Cups, universe. Yeah, the Queen of Swords, universe. I don't know kung kayo is magka-connect or magkasama nitong taong to. Some of you, may chance na parang hindi ko alam kung meron ditong pananakot or what. Okay? Para lang sumunod ka. Kasi gusto niya na sumunod ka sa kanya. Okay? Queen of Swords, universe, nagre-represent yan ng something na parang hindi dapat hindi tama, parang ganyan. Okay? Alam niyo yung may blaming energy, alam mo yung Gemini, alam mo yung itong taong ito, pwedeng ikaw nakagawa ka na, nakagawa siya ng mali. Okay? Pero hahanapin pa rin niya sa'yo. Parang may ganun. Nahanap at hahanap ng butas. Nakakaramdam ako ng ego dito. Ego. Hindi yan magpapatalo. Okay? Kung meron kayong away niyan, gusto nito, no? Ikaw ang makipag-ayos sa kanya, actually. Okay, next, Cancer. Cancer. Okay. Anong emosyon sa'yo ni person mo ngayong week? Cancer. Okay, the King of Swords, being cold and detached. Why? Oh, the Eight of Wands in reversed. The Sun. Some of you, itong taong to, ang nakakuha ko, gusto lang nito na parang, they're just like playing safe. Like, kung hindi mo to kausap, okay, kung hindi mo to kausap, parang, ang nakikita ko is, mas okay yun, parang ganyan, or maybe trying to avoid lang certain situation na pwedeng makapagbigay ng issue or what, parang ganyan. Yeah, the Five of Swords in reverse. Ayaw lang ng tong taong to na may parang parang piling-pili yung sasabihin, piling-pili yung action pagdating sa'yo. Like, yeah, the Eight of Wands in reverse, this is totally like sabihin nating there's like less to no communication, parang ganyan. A little to no communication, parang ganyan. Yeah. Some of you, they will block you actually. Nakakuha ko ng ganyang energy. May chance na i-cut off ka ng taong to by next week actually. Yeah, the Hangman in reverse. Yeah, the Moon. Nakakaamoy ako dito ng ng paglayo ng taong to by next week, kung sino man to. Pwedeng Aquarius, pwedeng fire sign. Okay? Yeah. Nagiging cold na siya and detached. Yeah. Okay. Next, Leo. Ano yung emosyon ni person mo? By next week sa'yo, Leo. Okay, Leo. Anong emotion niya by next week? Okay, the Knight of Coins in reversed. And the Seven of Wands. Kung ito is nagiging controlling nitong mga nakaraan, medyo magiging open na, or sabihin natin hindi na ganun kahigpit pagdating sa'yo. Okay? Why the Seven of Wands in reversed? Why? Bakit biglaan to? Para siyang hot and cold actually. Why? The Emperor. So, it's like, ima-manage niya yung emosyon niya pagdating sa'yo. Yeah, the Knight of Wands. Ooh. Parang siya yung nagmamaniobra ng sitwasyon nyo, Leo. Pwedeng fire, Aries, and earth sign. Anyway, ang nakikita ko, Leo, is control ng taong to kung anong magiging emosyon niya sa'yo. Yeah. Ayaw nito nang makokontrol mo siya. Actually. Ayaw nito na parang hahawakan mo sa leeg. Ayaw niya nun. Magkakagalit kayo niyan. Yeah, magkakagalit kayo niyan. See? Magkakaroon ng away. The ego, the pride. Okay? Alam niyo yung parang okay, sige, kung ayaw mo na gawin itong pinapagawa ko, yung gusto ko. Okay, coming from this person Okay, kung ayaw mo sumunod sa akin, so gagawin ko lang din yung gusto ko, and hindi mo rin ako pwedeng utusan. Parang ganon ang mangyayari by next week. Okay, that's specific. So, next is Virgo. Virgo. Yeah. So, ano emosyon sa'yo ni person mo by next week? Ano magiging emosyon sa'yo? Virgo. Okay. The Queen of Coins universe. So, hindi na siya totally ganun ka-open or ganun ka-available. Yeah. Yeah, the Seven of Swords. Ooh. The Three of Swords is here. Actually, itong taong to, takot na rin naman na parang sabihin nating gumawa sa'yo. Magsaset sila ng healthy boundaries pagdating sa'yo, Virgo. Okay? Some of you, kung meron ditong sitwasyon na parang naloko mo siya or what, may chance na talagang mag-step back yan ng ilang step, no? Yan taong yan. And then, kasi ang nakukuha ko, takot na sila na masaktan or what. I don't know. Okay? Kung may nagawa kang kasalanan dito, Virgo, maglalaylaw yan. Okay? So, maglalaylaw. Next. Libra. Okay. So, Libra, anong emotion sa'yo ni person mo by next week? Let's see. Emotion ng person mo by next week. Okay, the Knight of Coins. Little to no action, actually. Yeah, nandyan din yung boredom. Why? The Seven of Cups. So, nakuha ko rito, parang nawawala yung emosyon, actually. Okay? Trying to, parang, to look for something, to look for someone, parang ganyan. Parang, parang nabobored. So, makakaramdam ka ng coldness from this person. Okay? Yeah, the Three of Cups. May chance na kapag may napansin ka sa kanya na parang dumidistansya or parang nagiging cold na, may chance na itong taong ito is naghahanap ng kung ano man, sino man. Okay? Let's see, ano tong Seven of Cups na ito. Or talagang magiging ano lang talaga siya. Distant. Yeah, by next week. Yeah, the Knight of Swords. Yeah, the Knight of Wands universe. I don't know kung meron itong kinakailangan sa'yo. Yeah. And then sa iba niya hahanapin. Maybe they're just thinking ng ganon. Okay? Pero the Knight of Swords is here. This is action. Okay? Yeah, the Fool in reversed. Parang may pangangailangan tong taong to. Anyway. So, there. Parang kukuha ng attention from other people like that. Okay? So, there. Next. Scorpio. Okay. So, Scorpio, ano ba ang emosyon sa'yo ng person mo by next week? Scorpio. Okay. The Lovers in reversed. Why? Detaching. The Fool. Oh, the Three of Swords. This person is sabihin na, eto kung merong separation dito, ang nakuha ko, may takot itong taong to na totally wala ng pagbabalikan ng mangyari. Okay? Some of them, para silang confused, para silang nasa tawag dyan, crossroads, parang ganyan. Okay? Ano bang gagawin ko? Parang ganyan. Marami silang tanong pagdating sa sitwasyon nyo. Meron ditong separation. Okay? Some of you, meron ditong energy ng third party. So, nandyan yung takot ng person mo, Scorpio. Yeah, nandyan yung takot. Gusto nilang makakita ng mga kasagutan pagdating dyan sa situations nyo, sa situation. Okay? Answers. Yan. Clarity. Mga ganyan. Okay? So, yeah. Kung hindi ka niya makontak, kung hindi kayo magkausap, natatakot na tong taong to. Yeah. Next. Sagittarius. Okay. So, Sag. Ano emotion sa'yo ni person mo? Yeah. Okay. So, Sagittarius. Emotion ni person mo by next week. Okay. Oh, the Devil. Some of you, this is lust. No? Passion. Parang ganyan. Okay? Yeah, the World. Some of you, they're obsessing over you. May chance na yung iba is merong separation because of the Two of Cups, universe and the world. Some of you, this is distant. Pagdating sa physical, parang ganyan. And emotion, parang ganyan. They're obsessing. Yeah, they're obsessing over you. Expecting, waiting for you. Thinking of you. Yeah. Okay? Still still attached. Itong taong to sa'yo, Sag, okay? Yeah, the Page of Swords, may chance pa talaga na nag-i-stock tong taong to pagdating sa'yo. Okay? So, there. Next. Capricorn. So, okay, Capricorn. So, ano bang emosyon? Oh, someone's not speaking. Meron agad. Someone's feeling the strong connection pagdating sa inyong dalawa, pero no one is talking. No one. Is this new or past? Let's see. Someone is thinking of you a lot, Capricorn. Okay? Pwedeng Gemini, pwedeng air sign. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Anong meron dito? Yeah, the Fool. Yeah. So, this is obsession. Again. Gusto ng taong to na magkaroon ng fairness or kung ano man, like sabihin nating kung gagawa ito ng action towards you, gusto niya na maging balance yon. Like kunyari, mag-reach out siya, mag-reach out ka rin sa kanya. Parang ganyan. This person wants a connection or a relationship with you. Okay, we have here Aries and Libra. Another Capricorn, maybe they're stalking you. Some of them, they're stalking you. Okay? Attach sa'yo tong taong to. You're not talking. Oo. Walang, sabihin natin, walang contact. You're in no contact with this person. Okay? Always thinking of you a lot. Sino man yun, I don't know. Okay. Aquarius. So, emotion ni person mo by next week. Pagdating sa'yo, Aqua. Emotion ni person mo by next week. The Page of Coins in reversed. And the Ten of Wands. It's like an energy of surrendering. They're just like throwing the white towel. Parang ganyan. Okay? Yeah. But yeah, the Two of Cups is here. Parang kung anong nararamdaman mo for this person, yun din ang nararamdaman niya. May chance na ganun. Okay? Pero they're just sabihin nating isinusurrender na lang niya kung anong meron sa inyo. Okay? Dropping the situation. I don't know why. Yeah, the Emperor in reverse. So maybe may chance na hindi lang sila ganun ka-ready for you or sa sitwasyon kung ano man. Some of them, they're younger. Okay? They're younger. They want you. Yeah. They want you. Pero hindi sila handa eh. Yeah, the Nine of Coins in reverse. The Wheel of Fortune though. In reverse. So, I think some of you, the situation is not, sabihin natin, fit sa situation. Okay? So, yun. So, siguro, yun nga, pwedeng hindi sila handa in general, no? Itong taong to. So, that is why they're just like giving this up. Like, yeah. Nayaan ko na lang ito. Hindi ko alam kung paano Parang ganon. Pero yes, gusto ko si Aqua. Pero ang gagawa ko, wala naman akong alam dito kung paano gagawin ko. Hindi pang date nga wala Parang ganon. Yes. Kung past person mo yun, may chance na hindi ko na para chat si Aqua. Baka mamaya, hindi rin ako pansinin wag na lang. Parang ganon. Okay? So, next. Pisces. Okay, so, syempre, before tayo mag-end, huwag kalimutan mag-like, share, and subscribe. Thank you! Okay, Pisces. Pisces. Ano ang emosyon sa'yo ni person mo by next week? Let's see. Okay. The tower in reverse. They're being avoidant. Being avoidant. Why? Trying to avoid you. Huh? The Knight of Coins in reverse. What? So I think this is just like ang tawag dito, pananawa. Okay? This is pananawa. Yeah, the King of Coins in reverse. Some of you may chance na itong taong ito is may mga issue pagdating sa sarili niya. Okay? Na hindi niya kayang parang i-fix. Okay? So, may chance na pwedeng hindi ikaw ang may kasalanan, no? Kung bakit ganyan. Sila yung may kasalanan, I guess. Okay? They're not trying to fix kung ano man yung issue nila. Parang ganyan. Trying to avoid you. Okay? So, may problem tong taong to, Pisces. May problem sila. Okay? Some of them sa pamemera. Parang ganyan. Yes. Yeah, they're walking away, avoiding you. Some of you nafe-feeling. Yeah, they feel intimidated by you. Opo. Na-intimidate sila sa energy or sa kung ano man meron ka. Yes. Okay, so kapag na-intimidate siya, ayoko dito, ayoko na sa'yo, ayoko muna. Parang di ikaw na, parang ganun. So, yeah, yun ang akin nakikita pagdating sa emosyon nila sa inyo by next week. Okay, so there, again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and yeah, follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.